One of the reasons I recommend Bluehost is because it's a cPanel web host. To access the cPanel, you just come down to the Advanced button down here on the left. When you click that, what opens now is cPanel, and there you have all the functions that are available in cPanel. Another nice feature of Bluehost is that it comes with free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates, which means your site can be HTTPS. However, at the moment, if I visit my site, Teaching XYZ, and I type in HTTPS at the start, it comes up with a not secure rating. That means that the certificate isn't found. So if you get that, let me show you what you need to do. Let me just go back to cPanel and we'll scroll down to security and then click on SSL TLS status. And what we should find is the certificates haven't been properly installed. The reason they haven't been properly installed is more than likely because we're using Namecheap as our registrar, so that when we added the domain to Bluehost, it tried to register and install these SSL certificates through this auto SSL, but it couldn't install them because the domain wasn't actually at Bluehost. Therefore we got an error. What we can do here is quite simple. Just come up here and click Run Auto SSL and the process will run again. If everything is propagated properly from Namecheap, then these certificates should install properly. It can take a short while, so do be patient with it. I'll just pause the video until this process is complete. Okay, it only took a couple of minutes, but as you can see now, it's got Auto SSL domain validated, and all of these records down here are all validated as well. Which means if I go over to my site now, you can see that the site has now loaded with the padlock, which means it's HTTPS. I can check the certificate here and you can see that the certificate is Let's Encrypt Authority. That's what Bluehost uses for these certificates. If you still get the error with HTTPS, then it means that you need to give it a little bit more time. You could try clearing the caches in your browser and refreshing your site, but as long as you have the SSL certificate installed properly on that SSL TLS status page that we saw a moment ago, then the certificate will install. You just have to maybe just give it a few minutes. But now we have WordPress installed and we are secure with an HTTPS connection.